Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the structural organization of animals. Kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups, vertebrate and invertebrate. First one, Kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups. First one, invertebrate. Next one, chordate or vertebrate. What is the meaning of invertebrate? Invertebrate means without backbone. Okay. Vertebrate means with backbone. Okay. So what is the meaning of invertebrate means without backbone? Vertebrate means with backbone. Okay. In this chapter, you will understand the structural and morphology and anatomy of two animals. Invertebrate example, leech. Another one, vertebrate example, rabbit. Okay. Invertebrate example leech, another one vertebrate example rabbit. First we see the morphology. Taxonomic position. Indian cattle leech. The common name Indian cattle leech. Zoological name Hirudinaria granulosa. Zoological name Hirudinaria granulosa. Okay, this is a zoological name. The first see the phylum, taxonomic position. Phylum Annelida. எதுக்கு கீழ வரும்னா phylum Annelida, class Hirudinae, order Nactopelida, genus Hirudinariae, species Granulosa. Phylum Annelida, class Hirudinae, order Nactopelida, genus name Hirudinariae, species name Granulosa. So the name leech is zoological name Hirudinaria granulosa. First we see the habit and habitat. First one, Hirudinaria granulosa. It is found in India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. It is found in India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Okay. Next one, it is found in fresh water. It lives in fresh water, pond, lakes. Okay, pond, lakes. They are ectoparasitic in nature. Third point, they are ectoparasitic. What is the meaning of ecto? Ecto means outside. Parasite na Tamilla ottunnu solluvaanga. So that parasite lives in outside of the coast. Coast oda velila adoda body la velila irukum. Okay va? So ectoparasitic nature that feed on the blood of fishes, cattle and human beings. So they are sanguivorous in nature. What is the meaning of sanguivorous? Sanguivorous in nature. So what is the meaning of sanguivorous? Means blood sucking in nature. Rathata abdiye uriyum. That is called blood sucking in nature. Sanguivorous means blood sucking in nature. Okay. First the rabbit, it is found in India and Sri Lanka. It lives in the freshwater, pond, lakes, okay, etc. They are ectoparasitic. What is the meaning of ecto? Means outside. That lives on the outside of the coast. They feed on the blood of fishes, cattle and human beings. Okay, it is a sanguivorous. Sanguivorous means the blood sucking nature. Next one. First see the morphology appearance. Okay. Next, shape and size. External morphology. Shape and size. Normal leech, dorsal view and ventral view. The body or segmented body. Body or segmented body. This is ventral view. Sucker is present. This is the body segments. Mouth present. Eyes. Mouth. Posterior sucker. Nephridiospores present. Okay. This is a dorsal view. Another one, ventral view. The body of leech is very soft. The body of leech is very soft, elongated. The body of leech is very soft, elongated and segmented body, and vermiform segmented body. Okay, segmented body. First one, the body of leech is very soft. பார்க்க ரொம்ப very soft இருக்கும் and elongated in nature. நீளமா இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Another one, that body is segmented. The உடற் கண்டங்கள் தமிழ்ல சொல்வாங்க. The segmentation body look like a vermiform in nature. பார்க்க புழு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Vermiform in nature. Okay. The coloration. The dorsal surface is olive green in color. The ventral surface is orange in color. The dorsal surface olive green color, orange red color. Okay, it become ribbon shaped when extended, almost cylindrical when contracted. சுருங்கும் போது cylindrical shape, விரியும் போது ribbon shapeல இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, the length 35 cm. இதோட லீச்சோட length 35 cm. Okay, it become ribbon shaped when extended and almost cylindrical in when contracted. Okay, another one. So next one, segmentation. What is the meaning of segmentation? பார்க்க அந்த வரி வரியா இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is called segmentation. உடற் கண்டங்கள் சொல்வாங்க. Segmentation. The body of leech is segmentally divided into 33 segment. The body of leech divided into 33 segment. எத்தனை செக்மெண்டா டிவைட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா 33 segment. Each segment is arranged one behind the other. Each segment is arranged one behind the other. One behind. ஒன்னுக்கு பின்னாடி ஒன்னு இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். One behind the other. Each segment with rings. Okay, அது பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கும்னா each segment is ரிங்கா வளையமா அமைஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, next one, receptor. Temporary clitellum is formed the segment 11, 9 to 11, the temporary clitellum. Temporary clitellum is formed. The temporary clitellum is formed the segment 9 to 11 during breeding season. எப்ப இது ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் அப்படினா எல்லா நேரத்திலும் கிடையாது. During breeding season. Inside cocoons present. Okay, இது உள்ள வந்து present ஆயிருக்கு. Breeding season இனப்பெருக்க காலத்துல. Okay. Next one, receptors. Next, receptors. What is receptor eye? On the dorsal side, receptor on the dorsal side, there are 5 pairs of eye. There are 5 pairs of eye present in the side. Okay, the dorsal side, there are 5 pairs of eyes occupy the first 5 segment. 5 pairs of eye. 5 pairs of eye. எத்தனை eye இருக்குன்னா 5. 5 pair, 5 இணை ஜோடிகள் சொல்வாங்க. 5 pairs of eye occupy the first 5 segment. Okay, next one, each segment contain annulus. Annular receptor present ஆயிருக்கு. Each segment annular receptor present. Annular receptor present. Next, sucker. What is the meaning of sucker? தமிழ்ல ஒட்டு உறுப்புன்னு சொல்வாங்க. Leech has 2 suckers. Anterior sucker, another one posterior sucker. Okay, 2 type of sucker. First one, anterior sucker. Second one, posterior sucker. Posterior sucker. Anterior sucker located at the anterior end. Posterior sucker located at the posterior end. Okay, anterior sucker located at the anterior end. Anterior end. Posterior sucker located at the posterior end. Posterior end. What is the use of the two suckers? It helps in feeding. It helps in feeding, attachment and locomotion. Feeding, attachment and locomotion. What is the meaning of locomotion? Locomotion means moving. One place to another place. One place la innu இடத்துக்கு போற moving. Okay, so what is the use? It helps in feeding, attachment and locomotion. அப்படி இறுக்கி பிடிச்சிட்டு தான் நம்மளோட blood வந்து suck பண்ணும். அதுக்கு தான் main things suckers use ஆகுது. 2 suckers. Next one, or external aperture. External apertures. First, mouth. External aperture. First, mouth. Mouth is located in the middle part of the anterior sucker. Mouth is located in the middle part of the anterior sucker. Middle part of anterior sucker. Sucker oda middle part la mouth is present. Okay, second one, male genital anus. Anus is located at the 26 segment. எங்க இருக்குன்னா 26 segment. Okay, next one, male genital pore. Male genital pore. Male genital pore is located in the second and third annulus of 10th segment. Second and third annulus of 10th segment. And female genital pore. Next one, female genital pore. Female genital pore located on the second and fourth annulus of 11th segment. Okay, so male genital pore 10th segment, female genital pore 11th segment present. Next, the excretory organ nephridia is present. Nephridiospores. Nephridia is present. Exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiospores. Nephridiospores. Okay, nephridia excretory organ is excreted by 17 pairs of nephridiospores. 17 pairs irukna 17 pairs irukum. Okay, next adoda division of body division 6 type. First one, cephalic region body division. First one, cephalic region. Second one, preclitellar region. Next one, clitellar region. Middle region. Next one, caudal region. Last one, posterior sucker. Region. So 6th division. First one, cephalic region, preclitellar region, clitellar region, middle region, caudal region, posterior sucker. The first cephalic region occupies the 1 to 5 segment. Preclitellar region occupies the 6th, 7th and 8th segment. Okay. Next, clitellar region occupies the 9th, 10th, 11th segment. Next, middle region occupies the 12 to 22 segment. Next, caudal region occupies the 22 to 26 segment. Posterior sucker occupies the 27 to 33 segment. So how many segments? Totally 33 segments. So divide body division 6 types. Cephalic region 1 to 5 segment. Preclitellar region 6 to 8 segment. Clitellar region 9 to 11 segment. Middle region 12 to 22 segments. Caudal region 22 to 26 segment. Posterior sucker 27 to 33 segment. Totally 33 segment. The body of leaf is metamerically divided into 33 segments. Okay, don't change the order. அது அப்படியே கம்பல்சரி படிக்கணும். ஓகே, சேஞ்ச் பண்ணக்கூடாது ஆர்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், பாடி வால். Next one, body wall. Body wall 5 layers is present. Body wall 5 layers. First one, body wall 5 layers. Cuticle. Second one, epidermis. Third one, dermis. Fourth one, muscular layer. Fifth one, potryoidal tissue. So what is 5 layers? First cuticle, epidermis, dermis, muscular layer, last one potryoidal tissue. Cuticle is the outermost layer. Next one, epidermis is just found below the outermost layer. Next, dermis is just below the epidermis layer. Muscular layer, it is found circular and longitudinal muscle. Longitudinal muscles. Okay, muscular layer is formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. Last one, potryoidal, this is found below the circular and longitudinal muscles. இதுக்கு கீழ இது அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. Below the two muscles. Okay. The two muscles க்கும் கீழ அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. Okay. Next last one locomotion. அதோட moving. Two type of moving. First one looping movement, another one swimming movement. Next locomotion. Last one locomotion. First one looping movement. Looping movement. Second one swimming movement. Swimming movement. What is looping movement? Looping movement. This movement is brought about by the contraction, relaxation of muscle. Okay, this movement is brought about by the. This movement is brought about by the. Brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscle. அது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா மூவிங் சுருங்கி விரிய அந்த மண்புழு மூவ் ஆகுறப்ப பார்த்திருப்பீங்க இல்லையா, இப்படி ஒரு பின்னாடி வந்து முன்னாடி அந்த மாதிரி கான்ட்ராக்ஷன் அண்ட் மசில் சுருங்கி விரியும். கான்ட்ராக்ஷன் அண்ட் ரிலாக்ஸேஷன். ஓகே, muscles. Next one, what is swimming movement? Swimming movements, the leech swim very actively. ரொம்ப ஆக்டிவா மூவ் ஆகும். ஆக்டிவ்லி leech swim very actively. It is a undulating movement. What is the meaning of undulating? Na அந்த அலை ஏக்க மாதிரி இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் இந்த மூவ்மெண்ட் பார்க்குறது. Okay, two type of movement, looping movement, another one swimming movement. Okay students, what to learn today? First external aperture, external characters. First to see the taxonomic position, next shape and size, coloration, segmentation, what are the receptor present, okay, where is it present, next locomotion types, body wall and structure. Today homework, write the external morphology of leech. Thank you.